Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to send test mail on champmail.com. So simply what you need to do, just first of all you have to design a mail, then select the template, and after this you have to complete all the requirements that you need to send your mail. So it is better, first of all you have to complete your mail like a professional mail, so when you test it, it will be complete on your requirement. So don't make incomplete mail to send the test mail. So simply what you need to do, just you have to go to the preview tab. So here you can send test mail, so just click here and send test mail. So in this way you can easily send test mail on mailchimp.com.